Hi guys, here we've got Apple iPhone, and let me show you how to create Spotify playlist on your iOS device. So at first, just open Spotify app, and then go to your library, tap on plus icon, and you will notice a new playlist. So first of all, you have to name it. Let me name it this way, and then tap on create. So here you've got it, and from this panel you can smoothly add songs here. So just click on add song and then add the songs that you would like to have there. You can search for them and smoothly add songs that you want to have. Then let's go back, and you can also add the cover picture. To do it, just tap on more icon and then click on edit right here. So tap on change image, and then you can either choose it from a library or take a photo. Let me click on choose it from library, then pick some picture that you've got here. Okay, so let me pick this one, tap choose and save. So as you can see, this is your customized playlist. If you would like to make it private, also tap on more and then click on make private. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.